you all some fabulous artificial nails I purchased by shopping in my local drugstores and Dollar Tree. But before I even get into showing you the nails, if you are a newbie passing through and you're seeing me for the very first time, welcome to the channel. Everyone in this community call me Glam, and I'm all about being a beauty on a budget who loves not breaking her bank for a fabulous look. So I highly encourage that you hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. That way you will never miss an upload. So getting into these nails that I purchased, it is a moderately sized haul, but I'm first going to show you my picks from my local Dollar Tree. And if you are an official Glam doll, which means you are a subscribed Glam doll, you already know my obsession when it comes to shopping in my local Dollar Tree. But sadly, Dollar Tree didn't have much of anything there for me, so I only managed to get 3 things, but I'm gonna share them with you anyway. The first pair of nails that I got are the Stiletto nails right here. These are the Stiletto nails, and I was so attracted to this gorgeous turquoise blue color. And the geometric type design, and it has a little bit of splash of pink in there, and I'm loving the black lines that's on the nail too. And these are the Stiletto version. How gorgeous are these animal print design nails, and I'm really loving that it has the black accent nails that's in there with the animal print. Super gorgeous, super cute, and who doesn't love a good animal print? I mean, you can't go wrong with an animal print, hence the reason why I snatched them up. So anyway, the next thing up is this nail art pen. Now this is a 3-in-1 pen, meaning you can use this as a nail polish, which is right here in the middle. You can use the glitter that's right here at the bottom, or you can use the actual pen on top to do some type of nail design. Me personally, I purchased this simply for the glitter because I'm such a glitter girl at heart, and I love the colors that's in this glitter right here. And it is cherry scented. Can you believe that? This is a cherry scented pen. Where they do that at? Dollar Tree. That's where. So that's why I purchased that right there. Now we're going to move into the drugstore portion of the nails that I purchased. The first collection up is by Goldfinger. Now when it comes to Goldfinger, they are a sister company to the brand called Kiss. And this one right here is the Goldfinger Luxury Elegance at Your Fingertips collection. And these are lavishly handcrafted with 3D jewels, okay? Look at this right here. How gorgeous are these? These nails come 30 in a pack. You're getting 30 in a pack, and you're getting some gorgeous stiletto nails. You're getting some accent nails, which has the glitter design. And look at the 3D jewel design that's on these nails right here. Now, if you went to a nail salon and you got your hand done with this kind of design, you know you're going to spend more than $10, because I only paid $10 for this. And that means for $10, with 30 nails in a pack, I get to do my nails 3 times for only $3.33 a set. That's going to give me a salon quality look without the salon quality cost. And that's what I be talking about when I tell you you ain't got to break your bank just to have a fabulous look. So these nails right here is in your local beauty supply store. So the next pair up, again with the Goldfinger collection, but this is the Gel Glam collection. And you should know, anything with the word glam in it, you know my fingertips is going to be all over it. Anyhow, these come 24 in a pack, and that's what this one is looking like. You're getting 24 nails in a pack. Gorgeous marble print design. Look at that. And then you have the gold accent nails that's happening right there with the marble print design. And like I told you already, where else are you, what nail salon are you going to go to where you're going to get this same quality looking hand look for $10? I'm going to wait for it. Tell me what nail salon is going to do that for you, and I'll be on the first thing there. The next pair up is still with the Goldfinger Gel Glam collection, and this is the ready to wear gel manicure. These are just plain black stiletto nails. You can't go wrong with plain black stiletto nails. And because these are just plain colored nails, they were only $5. I mean, hello, $5. And I'm gonna have a fabulous gel looking manicured hand look that I didn't have to break my bank for. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. So moving on now to the actual Kiss collection. This is the Kiss Jewel High Fashion Glamour Nails, and you're getting 24 nails in a pack, which is going to look like this right here. Super, 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 super cute. I'm so obsessed with the faux diamond design detail that is on these nails. It's accent nails, and I'm loving also that it has an ombre type effect with the baby blue, and it's giving you the ombre effect, and then it has the faux diamonds attached onto them. And like I said, these are just 24 in a pack, and these nails was just $10. And I can't stress this to you enough. Tell me what nail salon will give you this look for only $10, and really it's less than $10 because you got 24 nails in the pack. You get to do your nails at least twice, 2 times. So for less than what, $5 a hand, look at the design that you're getting. Come on now. What? Come on now. Anyway, now we're gonna kick it up a notch. This is the Kiss Masterpiece one-of-a-kind collection. This is their luxury edition, and again, you're going to get 30 nails in a pack. You're getting 12 accent nails in a pack, and you're getting your nail glue in the pack. And this is that design right here. These right here will have your nails looking so expensive. You got the metallic nail, you got a marble-esque looking design nail, you have the faux diamond studded nails, okay, the embellishments that are on these nails. Come on, you're getting 1, 2, 3 different accent kind of nails, and then you get the solid colored nail right here, and you're getting 30 nails in a pack. 30 nails in a pack for only $10, which leaves you at $3.33 a hand. Can get you this fabulous salon ready, salon looking, manicured hand look without the salon court. That's what I be talking about. Moving right along, still with the Kiss collection, this is the Jelly Fantasy On Trend Translucent Nails that looks like this right here. I just picked these up for the neon colors that's in it, the hot pink and the neon yellow right there, these 2 colors. But this is a jelly type design nail. I'm still loving that you're getting the faux diamonds on them right here. As you can see, the faux diamond studs that's on the nails, and then you're getting a whole nail, and then you're getting still the pink accent nails too, just the same. And these were actually, these was $8.99, so I got that design right there. Okay, dolls, so now we're going to wind it down just a little bit because I've shown you everything that I purchased from the Kiss collection. I've shown you everything I purchased from the Goldfinger collection. I showed you the few things I purchased from my local Dollar Tree. But now I'm going to show you the ones I purchased from my local Sally's Beauty Supply store. These right here is by Nail Bliss. And this is a fairly new brand to me. I haven't worn these particular nails before, so I'm really excited to be giving these a try. If any of you have worn Nail Bliss artificial nails, comment down below. I would love to get the comment section going. Share your thoughts with me about the quality of them. But in the meantime, this is the first one I'm going to show you. These was $10. You're getting 30 nails in a pack. I'm loving this design that's right here, the white design, and you're still getting the glittered accent nails as well as the nude nail up here. And these was 30 nails in a pack for only $10. And again, it is in a gel type finish. It looks like this right here. And even with the Nail Bliss, I can still say that, you know, it's still going to give you the nail salon look without the nail salon cost, and that's what I'm going for. Still keeping it with the neutral family, I purchased these right here. Again, you're getting 30 nails in a pack. You're getting glittered nails, you're getting your new neutral nails, but these have the faux diamond embellishments on them. The faux diamond studs is embellished on these nails, and you're getting 30 nails in a pack, and these were only $10 in my local Sally Beauty Supply store. And the last pair that I have to share with you, again by Nail Bliss, these are the coffin shaped nails. These look like this right here. I purchased these because they were screaming fall ready. Okay, I'm loving that fall color burgundy-esque type vibe, and I love how the faux diamonds come down and then they kind of swoop over. So I love how the design of these placement of the stones were on these nails. And again, I'm still getting some glittered accent nails just to complement the overall hand look. 30 nails in a pack, and they were only $10. I keep telling you all, you're gonna hear me say this a million times in this video, this is what I be talking about, and this is why I got addicted to doing my own nails. I have saved hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, and that's just me giving you real talk, since I began doing my nails myself. And there's no commitment to me having to keep the nail on unless I want to, because typically these nails last me anywhere from 7 to 10 days. But now that I've discovered the adhesive glue tabs where I apply my nails with, I switch my nails out to match my hair, to match my outfit, to match my makeup, or whatever mood I might be in, because I can have on some red and black nails right now, and in another hour or two I can put on some neutral nails, and I ain't had to break my bank for it, or sit for hours in a nail salon waiting for my turn, or sit for a long time as they do the nails themselves. But I got these right here, because on that note, this is now concluding the video. Everything that I've shown you do be available in your local drugstores. However, when it comes to the Kiss brand, you can always visit their website, and what I've done for you is the ones that I was able to find on their website, I already linked them down in the description box for you below. That way you don't have to run all over town trying to find these designs, where you have the opportunity to pick them up right down in the description box, and that way you can be on your way to a fabulous salon ready designer manicured look without you spending the salon ready designer manicure course. So boom, there. Oh, and one more thing before I go. I know I'm sitting here talking about you ain't got to break your bank and the salons are so expensive. Let me tell you all, I still go to the nail salon from time to time when I want to get a professional manicure. But as far as me getting my artificial nails done and the type of designs that I know I'm now into, that portion, I'm not paying for when I know I can get the same design for only $10, costing me no more than $3.33 a hand just to get my nails done. Yeah, I'm happy. Seriously speaking, this now concludes the video, because now I gotta put all these nails away. I want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.